morning guys, and welcome to another vlog, day 5 of Vlogmas. Hello there, how are you today? I woke up early-ish, I want to say, because I have my physio appointment, so I need to go to their clinic. And this is the outfit. I want to just show you my simple outfit of the day. It's quite cold outside, and yesterday night it was snowing, so I wanted to check if there was a little bit of snow now, but no. But yeah, I want to be warm but at the same time comfortable, so this is like my perfect combo. And sorry about the lighting, but I have no idea what to do. It's really dark outside and I didn't want to like open the lights. But yeah, today is Monday, so it's going to be hopefully a productive day. This is the plan. So yeah, let's get started. So I just finished my lunch and I have a very exciting packaging here that I received from CULTBEAUTY. I did this order during Black Friday, so it was like I think on the 25th or something of November, and it just arrived 5th of December. It took a little bit longer than I was anticipating, but well, it's here and I'm very happy. Sorry also if you are listening this noise, but this is one of the gifts that my boyfriend gave me. It's like a charm from Monica Vinader, and I did it as a he did it as a bracelet, and he also bought one of the chains that I can also make it as a necklace. So I thought it was a very nice gift, and also he did like a small engravement with our initials and a small note, so it's very cute. I really like it, but it makes a lot of noise, so I will try to minimize the noise by having it inside my my sleeve. So without further ado, I have here some very exciting products that I will try. Actually, I think most of them for the first time. It's a combination of makeup and skincare, and and a supplement. I also bought one supplement that I wanted to try, so I will just start. I will start with something that maybe you have already seen in a previous CULTBEAUTY order. It's this bad boy here. It's from the brand called Alpha H, and it is the liquid gold with glycolic acid. This is their big bottle. I already bought the 100 ml, and now I upgraded to 200 ml because I really liked it. You use it every second day, so it's not for a daily use, only at night. And I have seen that it really helps, in my opinion, with some discoloration that I have. Then another product that I have talked about, it's my mascara. This is the NARS Climax mascara. It's a duo, so it has just 2 tubes instead of 1. So let me just take it out. One, 2. So as you see, there are 2 mascaras over here. It's exactly the same. I used it in the past, I liked it, and I found it like this way, like with the duo, had a better price, so I just got it. And another thing that I wanted to buy because I love it so much, and even though I'm not nearly in the end, it's just not even in the middle, I think, because I use so little, I wanted to have a backup. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Beauty Light Wand. It's like their highlighter. It comes like this. I love it, so I just have, you know, one extra as a backup when the one that I'm using is done. Then moving forward, I do have 2 products that they are new to me. It's from the brand called Viv, which is a brand that is from what is her name? Jamie, but I don't remember her last name. I will just have it. She is a YouTuber and she has her own brand, Viv. So I got the Power Ink liner and the Lip Dew. So this is like a liquid eyeliner. So there is a small ball inside it. You can listen probably. So it means that you can shake it before, you know, you just apply. And then the tip of it, it focuses here. Yes, as you can tell, it's very light very thin, so you can do like really thin eyeliner, or also you can do like a more thick eyeliner, so I like the versatility. And then this one is a lip product actually. It's called Lip Dew, and it's just a liquid, not lip balm, but oh my god, what is the name? It's a lip gloss, I've seen really nice, you know, reviews about this, and oh, it smells amazing. Oh, it smells like candy, to be honest. Okie dokie. I like the Dofa. It's like a big one, and then from what I can see, you know, on the viewfinder, it is very glossy, and I really like the feeling, to be honest, of the applicator of the Dofa. It feels so soft and buttery in a way. The consistency of the lip gloss, it's really lightweight. You do feel it on your lips, but it's not sticky. So for the moment, so far so good, but of course I need to really try it. Then I will move forward to something that I'm so happy that I did this order and this purchase, because I was looking at this product for quite a while, and I wanted to try this brand because I've heard such a good things about it. So this is the Westman Atelier, the Face Trace Contour Stick. It's a contour stick. The packaging, it feels so luxurious, to be honest. It's a really nice shape, very compact, I would say. The branding is impeccable, I would say. I really like it. And then you do have the product like this, and you twist it, and then more comes out. I will test it. I can see that, you know, when I try to blend it, it blends super smoothly, really nicely, as you can tell. I really like it, and I hardly put any pressure, you know, I'm just touching my skin. So yes, I will update you about this. Then moving forward, I'm so happy. Did I buy two? I'm not sure if I bought two of them. Oops. So I went to try from by Terry the CC Serum, brightening CC Serum, and they had this, you know, like combo that it's the CC Serum base, like it's illuminator, and also an eyeshadow that is in a stick format, and it comes to be with this you know, like, what is it called, a bag, the small bag, a small necessaire. These are like minis, and I like having, like when I want to test something, I prefer to get the minis first, try them, and then, you know, commit to the full size. And this is an expensive brand, so I really wanted to try first to make sure that I will not, you know, spend a big amount of money to something that, you know, I don't like. So the eyeshadow, it is the Ombre Black Star. It comes in it's like in a pencil format, and then you twist it and it goes more up, and then I will just, oh my god, can you? It's a really nice brown color that it has some shimmer inside. Really nice. I just love it. And this one, it's the, one moment, I've seen a lot of, you know, YouTubers that I follow, they're using this one and they really like it, so I wanted to try it. So this one, usually you use it before your foundation and it will provide like a really nice glow. This color is not my shade for sure, but I think this is something that it will adapt in a way, and with the foundation on top it will be okay. But it's more like the effect that is creating. It has like a really nice glowy shine in a way, you can tell, and you feel a little bit more bronzy. I think this product actually will be great during summertime. Now I feel like it's more on the winter side and I don't want to be super bronzy, so I would say this is something that I will use for sure and test better during summertime. But I have to say that it has kind of a strong smell, and it smells like jasmine and lavender, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm not a crazy, no, it's more like the jasmine side. I'm not a really big fan of this type of scent, but it's not that it will stop me using it. Moving forward, I do have 1, 2, 3, 4 more products. I'm so happy that I finally received the order. No, I have more. 5. Okay, so this is all, I would say, more of a skincare except from this one, so I will just tell you what this is. This is from the brand Ham, and it is the Glow and Sweet Glow Skin Hydration for the Ultimate Glow. It's like gummies with benefits. This is how they call it, and it is a food supplement. It has 60 vegan gummies that it is tangerine flavored, and I was using some other like products that they are more of a on the peel side, but their peels are quite big for me. I hate peels. It's not my favorite thing, like swallowing the peels, and I do have some difficulties. It's more like I'm scared rather than I have problems of swallowing it. I do swallow it, but I just hate, you know, it's like a fear. I don't know how to say, to explain how I feel, but I think the best way it's like I'm scared of peels. So I wanted to try this one, which is like gummies, and so this tub is for 1 month. It is one that has like you have 60 inside, and then you just need to take 2 per day. So if I could only open it. No, come on. Oh, they're so cute. So this is it. This little cutie, it's, yes, the gummy, and let me tell you, it's like a little sweet for every day. It has this tangerine flavor, so I'm very happy. I finally found on stock this one, this little guy that I really wanted to try this. This is from the brand called Dieu, if I'm not mistaken, and it is the Forever Eye Mask, and it comes to this metallic packaging, and then you do have these 2 eye patches that you can reuse them all the time. So the concept is that you are having your eye cream or your cream in general under your eyes, and then you can use these ones on top. You just have it for whatever, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whenever, however, or as long as you want it. And then you can remove them, you put them back, and then you can reuse them a lot of times. And it says that a lot of people who have bought this, they can use them up to 2 years. This is insane, and I wanted to test them because also they claim that they will not like they will not like slip down, that they will stay in place. And this is one of the issues that I usually find in eye masks, that they always like slip down, and I hate it. I also really like the girl who owns the brand. I do follow her on TikTok, and she always gives really good advices for skincare. She used to be a beauty editor in the big magazines, and yeah, she does have the knowledge, so I do trust her and I like what she represents. So I wanted to really, I wanted to try this one. This is the Medicate. It's their retinol, it's the Crystal Retinal 3, and it is a retinol product that comes to a tube. As I'm already familiar a little bit with retinol, I use at the moment the Paula's Choice 1% retinol, but I'm not sure if it is as effective as it should be, because it is quite high, the retinol, the 1%, but yeah, I'm not sure if it does what it says. So this one was also recommended from the girl that she has this brand, and I should be very careful and start like really slowly, and then build up the amount that I'm using. And last but not least, this is a product that I really you know, I just found it on Cult Beauty website really randomly, and it's this one here. It's a pot. It's from the brand, I don't know this brand, to be honest. It's the first time that I see it. It's called like Nedaya, Nedaya, I'm not sure. And it is a scar savior. So this specific like balm, it is for C-section and scar balm. So it is just a balm that you use it if you're having a scarring or you know, things like that you have a mark on your skin. And recently I did get a burn, as you will see here, so I wanted to test this one and see if it will get rid of this, you know, like stain in a way and discoloration that I do have on my arm. So I wanted to see if it's working, and I will let you know. So these are all the products that I bought from Cult Beauty. I'm very happy with my choices and that I finally have it here. I really like their customer service as well. Every time that I had any issues, they were always very responsive, very fast, and I had no issues of like replacing a product or having the refund. So I'm very happy with their customer service, and is one of the reasons why I always go back to Cult Beauty, and I do trust them. And they have a huge variety of products, and most of the times, almost all of the things are, you know, on stock, and I could find them. So yes, I cannot complain. I'm very happy with everything at the moment. So now the plan is that I need to prepare for a meeting that I have tomorrow, actually. There is a big mess behind me, as you can tell, but I'm a little bit in a hurry because I decided last minute to go to yoga. We said no CrossFit today. So this is the outfit for my yoga class. I have an aloe leggings, yes, aloe leggings, then a Danola shirt. I don't know how to say, like crop top, crop bra, I don't know, like yoga bra, blah, blah, blah. Then it's just a zip-up sweater from the studio that I go and do the yoga. This is a bag from Aloe, and then I will have also some Adanola socks over here. I have them here. I will also remove my makeup now because I do have the makeup from the beginning of the day, and because it's hot yoga I should remove it. So yes, I will see you after the suffering. And this is my face after hot yoga, taking a shower. It was so nice going over because I didn't go yesterday, I only went on Saturday, and I just felt my body needs it, so it was really good decision that I went. And now I'm just finished my shower, I did my skincare, and I just, you know, used the alpha glycolic acid on my face. Then I used my hyaluronic acid. I think I will do like another skincare routine during Vlogmas, so you know, I can let you a little bit more, like talk to you about what I am doing during the night. And now I will go prepare my dinner and, you know, enjoy the Christmas tree, and probably I will continue watching my series. At the moment I'm watching for, I think, second or third time, New Girl, which I really like. It's like a very easy to follow and nothing to think about TV series. So yes, this is the plan for tonight.